Many people said me that the voice quality of my videos is not that much good. It is a little bit slower and difficult to hear. And yes, I agree with them. It's all because of this headphone mic, and it is the worst of all. So finally, I bought a new mic, Alhamdulillah, which is the Boya BY-M1. And today's video, I'm going to unbox it and show you its box contents, and I will also show you its voice quality. Yes, the video is being recorded with this mic because I haven't unboxed it yet, and the next video will be recorded with this, but don't worry, I will show you its voice quality in this video. So assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Edward Sheikh. Let's begin. So guys, this is the box of the Boya BY-M1 lavalier mic, which I bought from Daraz.pk. Make sure there's a sticker of verifications on your box, and this will help you in verifying that the mic you have bought is real or fake, because there are many companies which are making their copies of this mic. By the way, the price of this mic is around 1725 rupees from Daraz.pk. On the front of the box there's a picture of the microphone. On the side there's just name Boya BY-M1, and it is written it is can use for smartphones, camcorder, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. And on the back of the box there are some features and the specifications. If you want to read them, you can pause the video and go through them. I don't want to waste the time on it, and it is same over here. So let's unbox it. So here it is a notice which will help you that how can you use it for smartphone and cameras. And here's some paperwork how to operate the mic. Who cares? And the main thing is this mic. So you get a pouch with it which will help you to carry. And let's see what's inside. So this is silica gel, you should not eat it. And there are some other accessories with the microphone, and this is the Boya BY-M1 microphone. You can see the cord is extremely long, it is about 6 meter, and this is the headphone jack and the adapter which is used to convert it from microphone and cameras. So let's see the accessories. So in this bag you get an adapter when you have to connect it with other devices which have this jack. You can simply put it over here and connect with them, and you get the video screen for the microphone which you have to attach here, and it is used for the voice cancellation. And this is the clip which is attached to the microphone, and you can attach it with your collar while recording. And you also get a cell, LR44 size cell, which is inserted in this when you screw it like this. And there's a compartment over here. You have to put the screw on it like this. So I put the screw and cover it with this strip and screw it back, and like this. So now it is ready for use. But I should put it over on the microphone like this. It has to be covered. It is used for voice cancellation or surrounding. And this is the clip. You can attach it over here like this, and here's the mic. So now I'm going to hear your voice with this mic. So let's start. Now the voice you are hearing is being recorded by the microphone of my headphone, which usually I record, and after the countdown of 3 you will hear the voice which is be recorded by the built-in microphone of my smartphone. So 1 2 3. So now the voice quality you are hearing is being recorded by the built-in microphone of smartphone. You can see the difference, and after this you will hear the voice which is be recorded by the Boya BY-M1. So 1 2 3. So guys, now the voice you are hearing is being recorded by the Boya BY-M1. I can rub on it, you can see the sound. So this is the quality of this mic. I hope it will be better from before. So if you are interested in this product, the link is in the description, click on it and order it. So the main thing is that it can be used both with smartphones and the cameras, DSLR also. And the other thing is it's wire. A 6-meter wire helps a lot in being recording the video from a great length. So this is the main thing. And other thing is you can also get the adapter with what you can connect this microphone with other speakers and other devices also. So I hope you like the video. If you like, click on like button, and if you haven't subscribed, click on the red subscribe button and subscribe the channel and share the videos with friends. I will meet you in another video. So that's for today. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.